Hi, everyone. Welcome, freshmen of 2020. My name is Rosa Buescher, Student Relation Coordinator for Department of Food Science. And this is Katie Hope, and she is the Bumpers Ambassador Representative of Food Science. So I'm here to answer a few questions, and then she will follow up with several other questions. What is special about my department? Well, my department is the only department that's completely off campus. That way, I know it's hard for you freshmen because you don't see many of us, but later on, you're going to really appreciate coming here because there is front row free parking. So you just come here and you go home. It makes it really convenient. Another cool thing about our department is that there's great diversity in our staff, faculty, and students. Because food is everywhere and is worldwide, it affects everyone and everywhere, that the people here are some of the coolest people you'll meet, and you learn a lot about their cultures as well. What I love most about our department, I think, is the people. I love some of the faculties. They are kind of shy sometimes, but we have some of the most passionate professors around, and they really care about their students. Last year, so I never told anybody this, but last year I caught Dr. Atunelu working with his students like in the late afternoon and in his free time. He was prepping them for the national engineering exam. So he goes out of his way to help them to prepare for this exam. But also seen on Facebook from some of the kids, I saw Dr. Wong cook a 9-course Chinese New Year meal for the kids. Yeah. And so you don't usually, I know I wasn't invited, but maybe I'll get to be invited next year. But that was really cool. Who does that? You know, my mom doesn't do that for me. And so these kids, they have to work hard, but they're really being spoiled at the same time. And so I definitely feel like that's what college life is all about. My third question is, what support can students expect from the food science department? Well, I think we have one of the best academic advisor. Um, this is her. Miss Kathy Hamilton. She couldn't be here, but I want you to know that she is one of the best advisors around, and you will see her from your freshman to graduation. Our goal is to bring you the most positive experience as possible. Also, this year we have partnered up with our Food Science Club. They're going to start a mentoring system to help transition this year's freshmen and some of the students to this new normal. I know with COVID and everything, it's been really hard on you guys. How do you meet people? How do we see each other? Do you feel happy about what's going on? So we're going to touch up on that with our mentoring system. You guys will receive emails on that very soon. Okay, Katie.
So my first question is, why would you encourage someone to pursue a major in this department? I think food science is a really unique major in that it allows you to go so many different ways. I specifically am pre-medicine, and food science is really helpful for me even because it gives me another route in case, I decide not to go to medical school, then I have this perfect major for me. And also it's job ready. As soon as you get out of college, you're ready to go. You can find a job and you can work. And also, just the food science department, we're such a close knit community, and I really feel comfortable with everyone here. And I think that it's the perfect major for me. And any advice that I would give incoming students, definitely don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. I know freshman year is scary. I was a freshman last year. But make friends from all majors, not just in the food science department or in the bumpers college, but really branch out and make friends with everyone. Also, I know campus events might be a little different this year, and we don't really know what that's going to look like, but go to campus events, meet new people, talk to your professors, even if it's over a Zoom conversation, just meet new people, go to events, and just join organizations.
All right, thank you guys. That wraps up our recording. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll see you at 8 weeks. Bye.